We have a Hino 2012. It's stuck right here. Okay, we are on lowest. Yeah, it's stuck right here on lowest. No power, engine light on. Check DPR check. Yeah, because we gotta see with the computer. See what cause we have. Come on. Okay, so we have the computer there. All the car, which is a Hino, so basically we gotta go with, let me see, Hino DX. Okay, you gotta wait. Okay, so they have the code right here. If you have a code right here, you see that code, because it's gonna lose power complete. They call exhaust gas temperature sensor is I4 from upstream. That's one, the DPF temperature sensor too. So here you go, that's our first problem, voltage. We got the code back, it's on the computer VCU. Abnormality in battery voltage. We went to the batteries. Let me see. The computer has no voltage. So there is a problem right here. We gotta take a look. Maybe it's the fuse or wire problem. That's why we gotta check engine light on. It's not doing a regen. DCU, that's DCU, engine, DCU. So with the real problem right here, we find the computer no good. Okay, we also inspecting the chamber right there. The chamber is okay. We inspect that. We put in a used computer. It's not communicated, so. Also has a little salt right here, but not much, so I don't care about that. So after I replace the computer, now I have 12 voltage. See, VCU. So now the computer is gone, so I replace it now. Okay, we got a low coolant, but that's not a problem. We gotta put more coolant. Now we're doing a regen, so the regen is doing perfect. Besides I don't mind the nozzle like I replaced. Little bit high, it's supposed to be 45, 46. You gotta remove and clean it up back again, otherwise you gotta replace it. Flame temperature is going perfect. Atomize the fuel pressure is doing perfect. Exhaust gas temperature is doing perfect. Atomize the air pressure 180, 120. Gotta be 120. Something I had to worry about right here. Maybe I had to replace the air approach valve. Exhaust gas temperature burner inlet 200.